हेलो फ्रेंड्स। लीडरशिप का एक वीडियो पहले आ चुका है और ये दूसरा वीडियो लेके आए हैं, तो ये वाला वीडियो शुरू करते हैं। वी हैव finished till question number 13 and now before we start I would like to say that if you are new then please subscribe, like and share. So let's begin. We have already finished till question number 13. Now we will begin with question number 14. The administrative leader of the college is A. President of Students Union, B. President of Teachers Union, C. President of Discipline Committee, D. The Principal. The answer is D. The Principal. Question number 15th. Each school strives hard to train its students in the art of leadership because all the students become leaders and thus solve out the problem of unemployment. B. All the students become quite aware towards their constitutional rights. C. All the students learn about their constitutional rights and duties. D. They enhance the feelings of democracy and nationality in future. The answer is C. Question number 16. The disciplinary rules and regulations in schools are meant for A. Gentle students, B. Stubborn students, C. Student discipline committee, D. All students. Answer is D. All students. Question number 17. Which of the following qualities of the students you kept in mind as a teacher to screening out the students for school annual function? A. Students' attraction and speaking skills, B. Students' ability to speak through microphone, C. Any student loved by the teacher, D. Any intelligent and talented student. Answer is B. Students' ability to speak through microphone. Here both of these options are very similar, so do not confuse and go with B. Question number 18. The chief aim of organizing NCC and NSS programs in college is A. Entertainment, B. Physical development, C. Social welfare, D. Leadership training. Answer is D. Leadership training. The teacher is being called the leader of the class because A. He trained in the skills of oratory, B. He knew the methods of implementing the strictures on the group, C. He brought changes in this class according to his ideals, D. He put forth false and irrelevant arguments in front of the class. Answer is C. Question number 20. The monitor of the class should be A. The most popular student of the class, B. The loving student of the teacher, C. The most powerful student of the class, D. The extrovert student of the class. The answer is A. 21. Which type of leadership is desirable in Indian schools? A. Democratic, B. Dominance, C. Mixture of the A and B, D. None of the above. The answer is A. Democratic. The famous sociologist Poyers had defined leadership in terms of personality, environment, composition. The leader, according to his supposition, is 1. A. Who organizes the group for the common goals, B. Who organizes the group for the fulfillment of his own motives, C. Who organizes the group for religious interests, D. Who creates social awareness in the group for social welfare. The answer is D. Question number 23. The position of a leader in the big group is A. In the center of the group, B. On the periphery of the group, C. Beyond the reach of the group, D. Anywhere within the group. Question number 24. Leadership is A. An innate disposition, B. A circumstantial quality, C. Enriched by the environment, D. Denoted by all the above. The answer is A. An innate disposition. The answer to question number 23 is A and 24 is also A. Question number 25. The leadership can be executed only by a person who exhibits A. Cruelty, B. Social prestige, C. High moral values, D. A general person. Question number 26. The leader, the answer is C for 25th. Question number 26. That leader is a prestigious person of the group. Here the word prestige denotes A. High status and abilities, B. superior economic condition, C. high dominance and power, D. high moral qualities. The answer is A. high status and abilities. Question number 27. The leader is embodied with high moral values and character. An example is A. The great moral king Sri Ram of the great epic Ramayana. B. The great sage like Maharshi Dayanand. C. The killer Nathuram Godse. D. The nation divider Akbar Ali Jinnah. The answer is A. The great moral king Sri Ram of the great epic Ramayana. Question number 28. The leader is a conceptual framework who performs his duties as per the accepted ideals of the specific group. A. This implies A. The leader lives only for the group's desire. B. The leader dies when he works for his selfish motives. C. The leader is the mirror image of his followers' expectation. D. The leader preserves and promotes only his own motives and survives for longer time. The answer is A. Question number 29. The leader should inhale the motivating energy in his group before he should be A. Therefore, he should be A. The embodiment of the socio-cultural ideals of the group. B. Careful in providing high respect to each members of the group. C. Monopolizing every task according to his motives. D. Maintaining his own dominance and go up to any extent to secure it. The answer is A. The embodiment of socio-cultural ideals of the group. Question number 30. When a leader commits a mistake in decision-making process about the group, he should A. Accept his mistakes and regain the confidence of his followers. B. Not accept the mistakes and attempt to repress it in a stubborn manner. C. Repeat the mistakes regularly and detach from the group. D. Identify with the group norms and adhere with them under all conditions. The answer is D. That was all for leadership. Now we will be doing a second video on professional commitment very soon. And if you think we have helped you, then please like, share and subscribe. And press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever we upload a new video. And we are providing links, we are providing names of books in description so that you can get help from them. Thank you.
Namaskar.
Namaskar.